Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of the latest news updates as well as technical analysis on SafeMoon. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to hit subscribe for more cryptocurrency news and technical analysis. Also click that thumbs up like button. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm and helping us grow this community, and click the bell icon so that you know whenever we have a new video. I am not a financial advisor, guys. Everything I'm sharing is based on my own opinion. I highly encourage you to go and do additional research on your own. By the way, I am on Twitter. If you guys want to check me out, I would love for you to follow me and be a part of the community over on the Twitter side. I am at CryptoAtlasYT. Diving into this news, we got some interesting things going on, guys. SafeMoon over on Twitter has over 500,000 followers now, 547,000 followers. They're just absolutely tearing it up as far as for like media attention goes. It's just getting started with a lot of this stuff. For example, SafeMoon is on the front page of the Wall Street Journal. You can actually see they highlighted right down here. They're including it with some of the other cryptocurrencies, for example, Digibyte and VeChain, where a lot of people are potentially looking for these smaller price coins and thinking that they have the opportunity for a lot of gains from at this point moving on. And SafeMoon is definitely on that list. So being on the front cover of the Wall Street Journal, that's pretty darn cool. In addition to that, you have other people that are referencing what's going on with the coin market cap. What happened with CoinMarketCap? Well, some pretty good news, and we might actually have some other stuff going on very soon with this as well. So there's a watch list function that's over here. You guys can actually see it up towards the top. There's like a star button. So if you wanted to add this to your watch list as well, you can. And obviously a watch list is so you can keep up to date with how things are moving. So SafeMoon actually has over 1.3 million people, or accounts at least, that have added it to their watch list. That's more than Bitcoin. This thing's only been out for 2 months. There's more people that put this on their watch list for CoinMarketCap than Bitcoin itself. That's crazy. That's just ridiculous. So you got people that are talking about this, and there's some more influential type people as they're referencing with this article right here. In addition to the CoinMarketCap reference, there's a couple things that have been like touched up on, so it looks like they're finally getting on track to making this be more accurate. And a lot of people have been harping on them about this, so it's taken them a while, but like, hey, I guess better late than never, right? So one of the key things that they're doing is they've adjusted the market capitalization. There is a little bit of a disclaimer button though, so I'm going to go ahead and point that out to you guys here. If you highlight over, it says the CoinMarketCap team has not verified the project's market cap. However, according to the project, it's self-reported CS is 642. That's the circulating supply. So that's 642 trillion, 807,441,594,934 SafeMoon, with a self-reported market capitalization of $5.4 billion, right? So they're saying like, hey, we can't verify this, but that's what they're saying, which I find kind of weird when it's blockchain technology. How can you verify all these other projects? What's the problem with this one? Maybe it's because of the burning mechanics and how that's all going on, and I don't know. So it seems to me like they're using the circulating supply mechanic to potentially hold back from what its actual market capitalization value is. Which, now that I think about it, Hoj has a similar thing going on with them. I'm wondering if they have anything labeled with Hoj. Well, look at that. There's no issues with Hoj. What's the point of this? That doesn't make any sense. I literally just now looked this up right now. I'm not even kidding you guys. So it shows the circulating supply, but Hoj does the same thing. It's the tokenomics, right? It's the same thing as what happens with SafeMoon. Why is Hoj, and I like Hoj, by the way. I've got Hoj coins as well. Just like FYI, little disclaimer on this stuff. I like Hoj. So Hoj, they show the circulating supply, and look at that. It's got like a little verified check mark, verified data. The CoinMarketCap team has verified the project's circulating supply to be as follows, and then it shows it. And then the market capitalization that's being shown, and then it shows that it's ranked 295 out of all the cryptocurrencies. And that's at 184 million, right? So we had take a look over here with SafeMoon, and it's like, oh, it's 5.4 billion. So if we go and look at the top list here, 5.4 billion for market capitalization, would that put it in the top 100? Yes, that would actually put it at right around 33, like between 32 and 34 out of all the cryptocurrencies that exist out there. That's amazing. Really good news. In addition to some other things that we're going to take a look at here, SafeMoon billboard. This is really cool. This person that like drove by, you can kind of just see it there for just a second, but there is a billboard that's set up outside along that freeway. It was also mentioned over on CNBC. I'm not going to play this clip, but this guy on the far right was looking at an article and he was talking about VeChain and Digibyte and SafeMoon. At the very end, he was saying like, "Oh, I want to get paid out. Pay me. I want it in SafeMoon." You know, but he's pretending like as if he's really old and he can't keep up to date with all this stuff. But yeah, he's referencing what he's looking at. That newspaper he's looking at is probably the Wall Street Journal, if I took a guess, because it did mention those three and it is a newspaper. And we passed 1.7 million holders of the wallet, right, for SafeMoon. So SafeMoon is going to have their own wallet actually be released here pretty darn soon. The discussion's being talked about within the next 2 months or so, and they expect to have some beta testing, alpha beta testing coming very, very soon for the community as well. So that's really exciting. Now take a look at the charts here, guys. Looking at it on the 21 EMA, I know the project's only 2 months old, but look at how much higher it is right now in comparison to where the 21 EMA is. So it's very bullish just in that regard by itself. And if we actually hop back on over to the 15-minute chart, what I'm going to go ahead and do is zoom in for you guys. Oh, excuse me. Wow, that just came out of nowhere. Boy. Okay, on the 15-minute chart, you can see the Fibonacci levels were just bouncing between these two spaces, right? This big drop that you see here is more than likely an irregularity or an anomaly. We see that because we still have the whole movement taking place for version 1 to version 2 of PancakeSwap. So we do see some of these weird candles taking place from time to time. Doesn't mean that it dropped down a ton and then came all the way back up like that. We do have some instances where there's some actual big drops. Like, for example, back here, you could see that actually took place because the next candle was towards the bottom. But if you just see like, boom, boom, it didn't actually happen like that, just so we're clear on everything. So, yeah, guys, we are looking really good on this. I'm going to swap this over off of the 15-minute chart. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of a sell-off taking place in the last hour of me making this video. But overall, everything has been progressively very, very bullish. You can see it just progressively moving all the way through this, almost like a roller coaster, going up, sideways a little bit, slightly down, and then climbing, and it's tearing it up, man. So I'm going to go over to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart here, I get a little bit of a better perspective view to show you guys. So on the Fibonacci sequence right here, we're testing right up in the range. So if we can get up above, ideally, the 777 range, really lucky number, right? Breaking above that gives us room to push back towards this previous all-time high. And if we can break that all-time high, that's going to be right around the 1 range, right? And again, we're referencing this for PancakeSwap. There's different prices listed elsewhere. Some people are reporting over on Bitmart. It's already hit the 1 range. So, you know, it's different for everyone, but we're referencing the lower end spectrum because I think that's a good bar to kind of set for the time being. And off of that, we're looking at passing above 9. Of course, 1 is going to be the next big range, but then the next big target, the one everyone should really keep an eye out, I would say is going to be at the 12746 range. So that's 4 zeros, and then we have finally the new additional digit, which is the 1, so that's going to be 12746. Keep an eye on that, guys. Now, if this does drop down, look for support at 6656. That's, again, looking at this on the 4-hourly chart, and we have another level drop down below that at 5933. The 21 EMA is pretty close to that. Tomorrow, more than likely, the 21 EMA, I wouldn't be surprised if it ends up colliding with that line. The volume itself has, over the course of the day, let's go back to the day chart. Over the course of the day, it's actually been kind of lackluster. Previous day was doing pretty good, but this wasn't anywhere close to the amount of volume that we saw happening back here on like April 19th, April 20th, the 21st. So nice price movement with very low activity in volume. If more volume really kicks in, a lot more people actually decide to start really putting money into this, some crazy stuff could end up taking place. So that's going to go ahead and do it for this episode, guys. Don't forget to go check me out on Twitter at CryptoAtlasYT and hit the subscribe button here for more cryptocurrency news, technical analysis. I do have referral links in the description for a bunch of stuff. So you can get free cryptocurrencies by using my referral link for Coinbase. There's Gemini. There's BlockFi. BlockFi, if you use my referral code, you can actually get up to a bonus $250 worth of cryptocurrencies. All right, there's more details that are pertaining to that if you want to check out the link. And also, you can get some free stocks. Also, you can get some free stocks if you use my referral links for Robinhood and Webull. I've also got those in the description. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button, guys. Helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know whenever we got a new video. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel right now with this. Do you think we're going to have some pullback because we've had some strong runs going on here for the last couple days? Do you think one of these major whales is going to just kind of catch us off guard? Do you think we're going to push all the way up to the 1 mark? Do you think we're going to have rejection? What about going on with Saturday Night Live with Doge and with Elon Musk? Right after that, people are talking about moving some of their profits off of Dogecoin over to SafeMoon. So do you think that the day after or the night of, people start selling off some of their Dogecoin? Is it going to really boost this? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode.